Hello everyone, it's Tin here from Tutorials Hub. Now I found a way on how you can integrate a custom GPT in your website. This will be a step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's a very simple. You need ChatGPT and you also need writesonic.com. So actually on writesonic.com you can use the API key. You can put the API key from ChatGPT and you can create a code that you can embed later on onto your website, which is really amazing. So basically, as you can see, if we scroll down here, the first thing is to import an OpenAI assistant bot. Now, obviously, the second thing is to create bot using BotSonic and WriteSonic ecosystem and integrate it into your website. So that's basically what you want to have, right? So the first thing is to use the OpenAI platform to create your assistant. Now, obviously, this can be done through Playground. If you're on Playground, you can create your own ChatGPT bot or GPT bot. Now, for this, if you haven't ever done this, and if you haven't created custom GPTs before, make sure that you watch some of our other videos on that. Now, obviously, once you do that, you can log in into your BotSonic account. Again, for BotSonic, all you have to is just go to BotSonic here. And this is basically also called WriteSonic, but you need to go to WriteSonic and then BotSonic right here. Right, so just log in. It's completely free. From there, you can select the import an OpenAI assistant bot. Now this can be seen right here. As you can see, import an OpenAI assistant bot. Here you just need to add your OpenAI key. Now once you add your OpenAI key, if you haven't generated one, click on generate a key. Just add a new key here and click next. Now once you select the assistant you want to add and hit connect, and once you hit connect, the assistant will redirect you to the configuration page where you can actually configure the chatbot for yourself. By far, this is the most easiest way how you can integrate a custom GPT into your website. Now from there, once you're done with the configuration part, all you have to do is go to connect and then click on embed the bot. And here, embed the bot, you will actually get an embed code, which you can then copy and paste it onto your website. Now, this is the best and easiest way how you can integrate a custom GPT in your website. You can do this on WordPress, Webflow, really any website development or any website CMS or any system. You can integrate it wherever you want. Again, you can paste this in your head section. Now, obviously, there are a couple of other ways how you can do this, but this is the most easiest one. So again, if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.